Hello and welcome to my Timeless Home Kitchen, where I share recipes surrounding the meals I make in my kitchen for my husband, myself, and my little boy who is 8 months old. And today I'll be sharing this delicious okra soup I made for him. These are the ingredients to be using, just very basic, simple ingredients: okra, spinach, mackerel fish, bell pepper, onion, and crayfish. Feel free to use any protein of choice and even vegetable of choice, okay? So into my very clean pot, I will add some onion and bell pepper blended with around roughly 750 ml of water. And then for the onion, I didn't use the whole bulb. I used half of the bulb. And then I blended till smooth and added to the pot. I'll cover now and bring it to a boil. And then once it starts boiling, I would introduce my protein. Like I mentioned, the protein of choice for this meal is mackerel fish. And once I add it in here, please, disclaimer, if you have a 6-month-old starting solids, please introduce fish safely to them before you use it in your meals, okay? It's actually an allergen and should be used cautiously, especially for our little one. And then I'm just adding the fish. Like I said, I'll allow this fish boil because I want it to release its flavor in there and then to, cook it too. Now it's soft, I'll remove it, and in the background, I will shred it and debone it. Because we're making this food for our little babies, you don't want bone in them, okay? It can be a shocking hazard. So now I will introduce the star of the dish, which is the okra. This okra is blended, would I say medium soft, medium rough. I don't want it very smooth because my baby has been trying, textures, and so I'm going to make sure that I cook it very well. So I'll add it here and give it a very, very good stir. Ensure that I stir it in and everything is combined, with the bell pepper mix. So now I'm actually going to add crayfish into this meal. Now I've also introduced crayfish to him before and he likes crayfish. So I'm going to introduce crayfish, give it another good stir, and then cover and allow to cook a bit, okay? I really, really hope you try this for your little boy or girl, as the case may be. It's nutritious, it's easygoing on their stomach, and babies love okra soup. So here, I'm done shredding the fish now. I'm just going to reintroduce it back into my pot and then give it another good stir. So once I've done with this now, I'll just cover and allow everything to marry each other. So now food is ready. Really, it's ready. So the only thing left to introduce back into the food now is the spinach. That's the vegetable that we are using. I'm just adding very little. Now after this meal and you feel like, it's not smooth as you want, you can still blend it up. You maybe use the pause button on your blender or use the hand immersion blender. I found that hand immersion blender is just perfect, especially when the meal is still in the pot. I don't want to put it in my blender, take it back and all that. No. So I use hand immersion blender and it works perfectly. If you need the link to that, you can let me know. I will link it in my description. I'll send it to you if you need the link to the hand immersion blender I use. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Healthy, delicious, and ready. And then there is something I noticed. Most of the meals I make for my baby, they turn out very delicious. Even though I don't add like the seasoning, maybe beef or chicken bouillon, they still turn out very nice. And it makes me wonder, do we really need this seasoning? Anyway, this is what it looks like. He was like crying in the background, so I'm just trying to give him a little, and then I'll just portion it into these tiny glass bowls and store in the freezer. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you. Bye.